So it's time to change your labels. We know that because it says no paper, load new media. And the way we do that is we open up our cover. We release from our label position. Remember to put it back there after. Open flap. Open up and remove your waste. Pull that out. Take that out. That goes over into the trash. We remove the old core that would be in this position here. And now we make room for the new roll. There we go. We will be placing the roll coming out of the top, not from under. So it's going over the top and into the print head and through the bottom. Once you have that fed, now let's get it tracked. So I'll unlock the track here. I'll open that up to allow me to place paper there and close it up. Make sure you are under both tracks. There's one here, this one on the other side. Close it up, give it about 1 millimeter of space just to be able to move slightly and not catch. Now I can take my bottom here, secure it over, placing the bark over that piece, giving it a bit of a curl here. Now that I'm in the track, I have that secure. I can drop it, I can close it, and set it to label again. I'm also going to place my roll cover on, close the cover, and to clear the alarm, we press restart. It should feed out, and it's back to the green light. You're ready to go.